Hey, my name is Craig from Flying Wheels, and this is my 2005 Cadillac CTS-V. V standing for vroom. This is an LS6 5.7 liter V8 Corvette engine that comes from the factory with 400 horsepower. The car is incredible. Has 106,000 miles. It is a 6-speed transmission. Has 6-lug HD wheels, giant Brembo brake calipers, big rotors, wider tires, factory spoiler, factory different front end for the CTS-V. This car is incredible. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the entire car, show you all the good and all the bad. Basically, this is your virtual walk around and test drive. If you have any questions or would like to see it in person, feel free to give me a call at 603-475-0277, and more pictures and information on our website at www.flying-wheels.com. So first of all, like I said, the CTS-V is not just a standard Cadillac. This is a 4-door Corvette Z06, essentially. It has the Corvette brake package, the Corvette suspension package, the Corvette engine, and it all comes from the factory. The car is so fun to drive, and you can fit 5 people in it, which is one of my favorite parts. It does have factory navigation and factory sunroof, as well as the leather suede combination seating. Again, 6-speed standard transmission. The interior is clean, no stains, no odors, no rips or tears in the seat. Back seats are in great shape as well. We have the center console armrest here. Cup holders there. Carpets are clean. Wheels are all in good shape, so I'm going to go right around the car and point out every imperfection that I can find. Going right from the passenger rear side, there's a little bit of a ding right here, a small scuff there and there. A small little mark right here. Driver's wheel is in good shape. Tires have great tread. Car has passed state inspection. The front end is clean. I do have a clean title for it as well. Driver's side front wheel is in good shape. Tires have good tread on them. No body damage. A little bit of a touch-up mark on the window, on the mirror here and right here. And a little bit of a small ding right there. Bumper's in good shape. Engine's quiet. For a 5.7 liter V8, it's quiet. It roars down the road, but it's still extremely comfortable and smooth. Again, if you have any more questions or would like to see it in person, you can reach out to me at 603-475-0277. More pictures and information on our website. And before we go, let's just give it a quick start up. Loud, but has a nice throaty tone to it. Sounds good, drives straight down the road, and is incredibly smooth and powerful driving. Thank you, and I hope to hear back from you.